This is how you hypnotize a chicken. Watch.
Oh, what the? He's like, what the? Huh?
Okay, watch. He won't move.
Just relaxing, enjoying the surroundings.
That's a hypnotized chicken.
Are you unhypnotized?
He'll let him hypnotize on his own. He'll get up in a little bit.
He'll snap out of it once you realize that the Earth isn't exactly spinning exactly the way you thought it was a second ago.
Good whisper.
It's just dizzy. Just dizzy.
Did you make it stop breathing too?
Alive.
He'll snap out of it in a minute.
That's funny.
She keeps whipping around in circles and egg comes up.
He's just comfortable.
Yeah.
He's enjoying his little high.
He's sleeping.
He is. You want me to wake him up?
No. Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
See how
Oh,
long it
she's
lasts.
You want me to wake him up?
Don't wake him up.
Yeah.
See how long it lasts.
Oh, there you go. He just woke up. Here's the guy with the broken leg, so be careful with him. That's the guy with the broken leg. Just leave him.
Yeah, don't chase that one.
Yeah, I don't.